At a probation surrender hearing in Massachusetts, the judge has a few options depending on what happens during the hearing. This type of hearing takes place when you're accused of violating your probation. The judge will listen to both sides, the probation officer explaining how they believe the probation was violated and us explaining our side of the story. After hearing everything, the judge will first decide if you did indeed violate probation. The standard here is lower than at trial. The judge just has to be reasonably satisfied that a violation occurred rather than finding proof beyond a reasonable doubt. If the judge decides there was no violation, then you'll remain on probation and the conditions of your probation will stay the same. However, if the judge finds that you did violate probation, there are a few different things that he or she might do. In some cases, the judge might decide to keep you on probation with the same conditions. This might happen if the violation was minor or if it was your first time being accused of a violation. The judge could also add new conditions to your probation, which could mean requiring you to attend a program, do more community service, or follow stricter rules. If the violation is more serious, the judge might extend your probation period, making it longer than it was originally supposed to be. Now, if you're on a quaff, which is a continuation without a finding of guilt, the judge may convert the quaff to a guilty. Now, this is very significant because a quaff is not a conviction, but a guilty is. That means you have now been convicted of the crime that you were convicted on. If that crime is a felony, you are now a convicted felon. In the most serious cases, the judge might revoke your probation altogether. This means you would have to serve the sentence that you were originally placed on probation for, which could mean prison or jail time. Ultimately, what a judge does depends on the specifics of your case, the nature of the violation, and your history on probation.